let's talk about Apple versus OpenAI showdown.
You know what? I've been talking about this for a long period of time, and now the full story has kind of come out. So OpenAI recruited Mr. Tang. He spent 24 years of Apple. He was a VP of product design. And all of a sudden, all the data of how Apple sells product, ideas, etc., goes to OpenAI. So it's co-founded with Jony Ive. That's already interesting to say the least. But they emailed out supplier intel. This is going to be one of the biggest issues in Silicon Valley, I think. And this lawsuit is going to be major. And going back to picking enemies, Sam Altman has done a terrible job of understanding that relationships matter. And you pick two of the most powerful people to have as your enemies before you IPO, in Apple and in Elon Musk. I've told everyone else, be careful what data you put on ChatGPT. Put yes in chat if you remember me telling you, because I was getting some of these rumblings about them taking data from creators and business owners. But at this scale is insane, and it goes back to the character of the founder. Like, there's a lot of things in that hit piece that you can say were salacious, but if you go read that book, all of those things are not a lie. Also, too, for Microsoft, they're getting some of the blowback, and that's why they're doing their partnership now with Anthropic. And you can make the argument they should have just bought one of these companies opposed to just leaning on OpenAI. Apple, even though it hit an all-time high today, I was looking, I'm like, Apple probably would have been at 700 if they would have got this AI race correct. But picking the right partner is everything. And whatever the founder character issues are, they're going to bleed into the company. So just to let you know really quick, and they're giving Oracle some issues as well. In the last 72 hours, they had a safety quit. They were sued by the New York Times. Top executive departs. They shut down their browser tool after 9 months. They're sued for trade theft by Apple, and then they're caught selling product to China against sanctions. I keep telling you, there's a lot of tech companies in the United States of America that are being spies, allegedly, for China or highest bidder.
That felt like a perfect segue, because this is an interesting time. I'm going to read a quote here from kind of a person who is in that alleged spy mode. The gentleman's name is Cheng Lu. He was allegedly utilized undiscovered authentication bug on an unreturned Apple laptop to access shared network folders. He allegedly downloaded dozens of highly confidential hardware files, including technical specifications for unreleased products and proprietary circuit boards, leaving messages mocking Apple about look what I found. So here's the crazy part. This suit happens at an interesting time, right? We know that OpenAI, you see where I'm going.
Timing, yep. Timing is everything.
Time is important. So we know OpenAI is supposed to, was supposed to IPO somewhere here in the next few weeks. That has been pushed back. Interesting timing. Jony Ive also has left Apple to join forces over at OpenAI. A huge thing, and we covered it here. But Apple suing them about trade secrets tells me a few things. It tells me they know something, or they've seen something that they want to get ahead of, because IP is in question. I want everybody to do, this is the homework assignment tonight. Ian, this is our homework assignment I'm giving out on your behalf. I want everybody to search Project Sweetpea, OpenAI Project Sweetpea. Why is that important? Because second half of 2026, OpenAI is going to not only release more software, they're going to release their quote unquote or alleged hardware product. What is it? There's a few. There's a smart glass that allegedly is on its way, a digital voice recorder, and a wearable pin, right? Now we're starting to look at how we're going to use AI going forward in the future. Will it look like this, right? Or will it look like a small device that can just be attached to you? If OpenAI can get ahead of that and be first to market with that, the innovation is going to be there. How many users will you have? I think Apple knows that this is coming, And because they know it's coming, let's get
Off
this
their
out
intel.
there. Let's get off and let's put this suit out there. Now, this is all just a complaint, right? There still has to be stuff that has to be proven. This isn't really even in terms
It's
of
2 minute documents. And not to cut you off, if you're going to steal data from one of the largest international companies, how about you not text your friends about it?
Or mock the people that you took it from. Allegedly.
Yes, allegedly.
The timing of it, the idea of what is coming down the pipeline, I think that there's a lot more to the story, and we're going to see a lot more. But again, that talks to leadership, and it also talks about poaching from talent, right? The fact that Jony Ive left tells you that, okay, Apple, from an innovation standpoint, may be lacking, but OpenAI may be where the future is. Now, Jony Ive brought his company over in terms of innovation. He brought his company over to OpenAI. We should be looking for a product within the next 3 months, a hardware product, not just a software one, not an update, a hardware product from OpenAI in the next, I would say, 3 months.
And OpenAI they're saying the number is 400. I talked to my friend at Apple. It's more like 550 employees have got poached. And why are y'all putting out that mid flip phone that Samsung had 22 years ago? The other part is, Rashad, you talk a lot about managing relationships. The way that Jony Ive exited, when they did that commercial together, I said, it's war. It's wartime. So much so that even Elon, to get revenge, he turned, if you go read this prospectus, SpaceX is an AI company, and he did that solely to eat market share from Sam Altman. Now, look very soon for SpaceX and Apple to have a partnership. The thing that you don't factor out when you guys want to have war and have beef is, what if these teams get together and start to wage war against you? It's tough.
Yeah. I think it won't just be Apple that has a SpaceX partnership. I see that's the next topic, but I think in terms of where we're headed for compute and what it looks like here and what it looks like in the orbital economy, I know the space economy, I think that he's going to create a monopoly where they're all going to need him. I think that's where we're headed.
We'll see, but we'll talk about SpaceX now. Hit its all-time low. It went from $225 all-time high to around $134, which is actually lower than what it IPO'd at.